Hello, my name is Alan Krema, and I am extending to you an invitation to attend the Contemplative Outreach Chicago Fall Workshop. On Saturday, November 2nd, we will hold our annual Fall Workshop at St. Andrew Chapel on the campus of St. Leonard's Ministries in Chicago. Our day will consist of a morning communal contemplative prayer gathering, a lunch, and an afternoon sharing of the online presentation by Carl McColman called Interfaith Healing Practices, Tools to Inspire Hope Among Chaos. We'll begin our morning by entering into the welcoming prayer. Then, along the spectrum of letting go of our instinctual needs for power, control, security, survival, esteem, and affection, we'll enter into centering prayer with the wholeness of our being in body, emotion, and thought. In centering prayer, we experience a process of emptying, and we're invited to consent to the presence and action of the divine nature that's in each of us. This consent is a paying attention to the embodied energy field of the divine. In our experience of this prayer, we may feel a spaciousness, expansion, and open to the action of the divine nature, which manifests or shows itself as a compassionate and empathetic embrace of our entire human family. And then we'll enter into a third movement of communal centering prayer, holding a communal intention to transmit and emit peace into our community and our human family. And finally, we'll invite those who wish to bring forth the words of their experience into the communion of our gathering as we share the wisdom and prayer of our hearts. Thank you.